My name is Ryan Marable, and I'm a Kroger Pharmacist. I'm in charge of the full dispensing process of all medications within my pharmacy. Many people think about pharmacy today. They simply think about pills in a bottle, dispensing it to the patient. It takes 5 minutes, but it's so much more to my job. There's a lot of clinical aspect to it. There's a lot of one-on-one patient care. There's a lot of behind-the-scenes work, working with doctors, nurses, physician's assistants, in order to get the main goal accomplished, which is providing top-notch and high-quality pharmaceutical care for our patients. I work for Kroger Pharmacy. We have over 2,000 stores nationwide. We really do focus on our service for our patients. I'm a firm believer in our store's values. Our store's values align directly in how I feel about how I want to practice as a pharmacist. Our store's values are honesty, integrity, respect, diversity, inclusion, and safety. I start my day, usually come into the pharmacy, I'll open the pharmacy, I'll work with my staff and delegate various tasks throughout the day. I'll typically check my email because we often get alerts for any product recalls because it's very important that you stay on top of anything regarding patient safety. We're also counseling patients. That's one of the biggest things that we do with Kroger Pharmacy. We're consistently up at the front counter. We're working with our patients. We're seeing why they're taking the medications. We're coaching them on when to take their medications and how, and explaining to them exactly why they're using those medications, because that is what leads to positive outcomes. If a patient understands why they're taking the medication, they're more likely to actually take the medication. So my pharmacy story began in high school. I was connected with a pharmacist through my father. I had initially worked on a project my junior year in high school, and one of the careers that aligned with my personality was pharmacy. And I knew that that was something that I really wanted to pursue, and that's what I set out for immediately after graduation from high school. I eventually went on to the University of Cincinnati. I participated in our pre-pharmacy program, then matriculated to the pharmacy graduate program over at the University of Cincinnati. We gained our clinical knowledge in the classroom. We have some very highly competitive professors that participate in that program. We're learning the clinical knowledge directly from the source. If you're graduating from high school or if you're currently in college, it's simply just to follow your passion. What are you passionate about? What are you willing to do, every day that you wake up? If you can find out what you're good at and then what you're passionate about, then just follow that. And then once you're able to, to make that decision that you're going to follow that path, then you need to develop a plan of action. What I really like about my job with Kroger Pharmacy is simply connecting with people. That's something that we do every day, connecting with, our technicians, with our entire, any associate within the store. We're able to work directly with them. And most importantly, we're able to connect with our customers, with our patients who frequent our pharmacy stores. Our customers are extremely loyal to us, and it's just very important that not only am I helping them with their pharmaceutical needs, but just basically any need that they may need, whether it's a financial aspect or if they have a question about, what it means to take their medication and why they're taking their medication. I'm able to make those personal connections, and that's something that I look forward to every day. We have a lot of demands. Our customers, they need certain things. Our technicians, they need certain things. And us pharmacists, we all have certain demands that we have to meet. So just being able to multitask and then keeping, the patient as our first priority. We keep our customers first within our company. My main goal in pharmacy right now is just to inspire the next generation of pharmacists. If I could do anything to give a student some hope or give them some type of inspiration to become a strong pharmacist and to get through their pharmacy program, I'll do it. Whether it's working diligently, working late hours, showing up to extracurricular events in the community that help in the overall health of our communities. I'll do those types of things because pharmacy is changing. There's certain services that we weren't giving 5 or 10 years ago that are normal operations now. So with those expanded services, it's expanded responsibility for us pharmacists. So I just wanted to give the next wave of pharmacists that are coming into the profession, an idea of the type of work that it takes.